Hey, new REMAX Alliance Group agents. My name is Andy Witt. I'm one of the founders of Real Web Pros. Some of you may not know that last year we put together a program where we upgraded a lot of the features and in custom development within the Bold Trail platform specifically for REMAX Alliance Group. We built in tools and updated widgets and updated components and some automations and things that wasn't available in Bold Trail before. And then agents were able to come to us, and we could completely customize their websites and their CRM using these tools. But what we found out is that a lot of agents just wanted the tools. They didn't want a whole lot of custom stuff, but all this stuff that's available to you. I'm going to bang through everything that you can have. So we can update, all of you have the opportunity one time that we will update your entire Bold Trail website, CRM, marketing tools, lead capture, everything. One time, it's $400. We'll build in all these tools I'm about to tell you about. We'll redo your website and set up your CRM for $400. So you have, for a short time, you'll be able to take advantage of that because we're going to automate and do them all at once. So the first thing you'll be able to do, these are the options that you're going to have, are like the first thing is you're going to be able to choose a website template. We built out 3 of the templates that are available through Bold Trail for REMAX Alliance Group. We updated a champion template, the REMAX Collection, and the REMAX Classic templates. You'll be able to look at samples of them and when you have your form and decide which one it is that you want. They all operate very similarly, just have a little bit of a different look. And then to make sure they have a really different look, we allow you to update the images. So like the homepage header, you'll be able to choose images from stock images that we have in the form. You can upload your own images if you have images that you really like that your photographer did. If you have a video you really like on YouTube, you can send us a link to the YouTube within the form, and we'll make that video the background. So you can update your header so your website looks different than everybody else's as well. Some of the other things you can do is you can update your homepage tagline. Instead of it just saying your email and phone number under your name and REMAX Alliance Group, you can actually put whatever slogan you want or other information that you want underneath. We allow you to add a secondary logo next to the REMAX Alliance Group. Just upload it and we'll make sure it shows up on all of your pages next to the REMAX Alliance Group logo. Website title is something that a lot of agents ask us to do for them. As you can see here, REMAX Alliance Group is an agent. This is Shad's. It's REMAX Alliance Group. Over here, this agent updated their their website title so that his name shows up on it instead of REMAX Alliance Group. That's something we give you the option to be able to do as well. Bold Trail built-in forced lead registration by default. If someone gets to your website, they can look at one listing before a pop-up comes up and says, hey, I need you to register on my site before you continue to do searches. You can change that. You can make it as many. They can look at as many as you want them to. You can not require them to register. You can make them register before they look at even one property if you want. That's up to you. And then we also give them the option of, instead of giving their email to register, they can actually continue with Facebook or Google. As long as they're logged in, they can go do their search and the CRM will capture the information from their Google or Facebook profile and put them into your CRM as a contact and start to track what they're doing on your website, so we can use it as triggers. One of the biggest upgrades that we added is that we completely redid the featured areas. I think it's nice that Bold Trail put in the ability to put featured areas, so you can put your featured areas on your homepage, and when someone clicks on it, it just takes them to a search for that area. That's not enough lead capture for us. It's not enough SEO benefit for us. It doesn't keep people on the website. So we completely updated the featured area component in REMAX Alliance Group. If you haven't been updated, you don't even have access to this, so you probably haven't seen it. But those who have, when somebody clicks on their featured area, it takes them to a custom area SEO page. It has images of the area, links for the area, information about the area, market data. It's all live, all updated. All you have to do is choose what the area is, and these are all automatically created for you. They have lead capture on them. You can get people to do a search and then sign up for a listing alert or download a marketing report. All of these things are built in already. All you have to do is choose which area you want. Now for REMAX Alliance Group, we've already built out 35 areas. So these areas are already available. If you want an area other than these, you can do it. It just costs you a little bit. It's $75 per area, and it's $200 for 3. And we can create area SEO pages for an area that's not here, or a specific community, or whatever it is you want for your featured area pages. But this is a huge benefit. That just the $400, if you just got this, it's a huge benefit. There's a property type search widget on the website. You've probably seen it. It looks kind of they look kind of like this, and it's an option. And we had agents who said, "Hey, I want to change the verbiage." At first, they said, "I don't want houses. I want single family homes. I don't want townhomes. I want villa." Whatever. And then we went a step further. Not only do we allow you to change the text on it and the background images on it, but we can actually change it to custom searches now. So if you want it to be golf course communities, or you want it to be 55 and over communities, we set up custom searches, and on the property type widget, people have shortcuts right on your website to go find what they're looking for. It's a great benefit. We'll do that as part of the package as well. Homepage listing carousels, they're already built in. They're one of the Bold Trail options. What we added was Bold Trail gives you the option of doing my listings, our listings, just listed, just reduced, open houses, those kind of things. You can do 3. So you can choose one of the 3 that's existing, or we'll actually create up to 3 custom ones for you. So again, you can go back to if specifically villas or condos in an area, or golf course communities, or whatever, we can set up custom carousels and put them right on your homepage for you as well. We created this widget, developed it just for REMAX Alliance Group. Didn't make sense that people were up north in the cold, and when they went looking for property, we wanted to remind them from your website. You want to go, "Hey, look how beautiful it is here. Would you like to see what's going on? Would you like to look at properties?" So we built this weather widget that's a live feed, so it updates throughout the day with the weather now and upcoming weather, and then it also gives them links to go look at what's going on in the area. So people will go back to your website over and over again, looking to see what's going on this weekend, what events, concerts, those kind of things, and the local happenings link. And then they also can go and find out what restaurants and what deals are going on and what are the best fine dining places. That's all built into the widget. You just have to let us know what city it is that you want us to use for you, and we build it and put it onto your website for you. It's all included in that package. If you want to share testimonials, you can upload your own testimonials. You just give them to us. You can just upload them in a spreadsheet or a Word document, or one by one, whatever you want. If you want to manually do it, there's also a feed for Zillow. So if you want to automatically pull your Zillow testimonials and share them on your testimonials page, we can set that up for you as well. There is AI built into Bold Trail, but if you do not know how to set it up, you're not getting the benefit from it. So we will set up AI alerts, and we can do them in 2 ways: by lead status and by behaviors. So anytime one of the leads, one of the contacts in your CRM changes status, we can set it up that when they become a new status, something happens. You're notified. They're sent an email. They're sent a text, all 3, whatever it is you want. So if you have a new lead, what do you want to happen when a contact becomes a new lead? We can set up those automated triggers with the AI tools built into Bold Trail. We can also set up triggers and things to happen with behavioral alerts. So did somebody look at the same property 3 times this week? Have they been back to your website 5 times? Did they view the same property more than once? Did they view 5 properties in the last 24 hours? You see, there's 14 different behaviors that we can monitor and set up triggers for. We will set it up for you. You just let us know which of the behaviors you want monitored and what you want to happen when one of those things happens with one of your contacts. We set that up for you as well. We will activate your campaigns. We've updated some of the campaigns for buyers, sellers, renters, sphere of influence, and if you're a team and you want to recruit agents, we actually have some campaigns for agent recruiting. built in. We'll activate these for you. Just let us know which ones you want activated so that you can automate those campaigns for your contacts. We will upload your contacts. We used to go through with you to have you do it, and so you can see, you need to prepare them, format it, and then upload it, and then you have to put the right fields in. You have to merge the fields and make sure it matches what it's supposed to. All that stuff. So instead, we just do it for you. Send it to us in a CSV format, and we'll do all the formatting and the merging and all that, so all of your contacts are in correctly, and your CRM can work with your contacts the way it's supposed to. That's all part of the package too. These are the packages. So I mean, everything that I just shared with you, it's $400. Everything that I just told you for $400, we will completely update your website, redo your website, update your CRM, put your contacts in, set up all the automations and triggers and campaigns. All of that will update your featured areas and put the weather widget on. All of those are options for you. We'll do all of it for $400. When you're done here, go down, place the order. We want to do them all at once, so we'd like to have everything ordered by next Friday, which is the 18th, I believe. So place your order. And then what will happen is you'll get a form, an explanation of all your different options. And when you open the form, it'll actually show you, ask questions and show you what your options are and like walk you through it. You can make all your options, choose your featured areas, what you want your property type search to be, your carousels, all of that right through the form. Upload any images or whatever you want, video you want. All of that is done automatically. And then our AI program goes to work and creates your website, sets up your CRM, and then one of our production people goes through and does the final touches on it, make sure everything's working correctly. If you want to update that a little bit, upgrade a little bit, you can go to the $800 package. Basically, it's everything, all the automation that we have there, all the updates and upgrades. Plus, we also will do your content creation for you. So we'll create a video for you if you want it for the background. We'll create the video. If you want some images created by AI and want new images, we'll create them for you. You want new descriptions or new images for your featured areas, we'll do it all for you. We'll also put a chat bot on it. And I'll come back to that for a second. The chat bot itself is a conversational chat bot. So it can talk with voice, or it can chat, or it can do both, whatever your website visitor wants. And basically what it does is it'll have a conversation with the website visitor and ascertain what their needs are. It can answer questions about the area, the market. It can, and its goal is to, find out if they're a buyer, potential buyer or seller, and then engage them in such a way that helps get them into your CRM and starts working with you. It can set appointments for you, but can also say, hey, would you like to download a buyer or seller guide to know more? Would you like to get pre-qualified? Would you like, a home value report or a market report for your area? It offers these things so that they engage with it, so they can provide their information, and then it'll let you know, your AI will let you know that you have a new lead. So what we do at the top of the chatbot is we'll also create landing pages for downloading buyer and seller guide, because if they go, hey, yeah, I would like a buyer guide, they go, okay, here, click on this link and just provide your email address, and you can download the guide and it'll also be emailed to you. So it'll do your lead capture for you as well. That's an extra $400. We also will do completely custom one for you if you want to, a WordPress site or whatever. You can look at that in the future. If you want the $400 package, but you like the idea of having the AI bot, we also will do the $400 package. And if you do want the chat bot added on, we usually charge $500 if you just buy it individually, which is a great deal, by the way. Most places are charging $1,000 or more. But when you order this, if you also order the chat bot at the same time, just add it onto the order and we'll discount it. And for $200, we'll go ahead and build out the chat bot and make sure that it has the areas that you want, the expertise you want. We'll get your buyer and seller guides, and we'll put it all in to your website as well. So for $600, you get all those updates, upgrades, and plus you get a chat bot too. If you have any questions during the process, here's my information. You can reach out to me by email, or that's my cell phone number. So just call, email if you have any questions. But place your order now. We'd really like to get these done, and I hope I'll get out to your offices and see you soon.